One of the important principles or laws that is connected to this structure is the law of cause and effect. It's causality, called causality in Hermetism or alchemy, but that means that there is some guiding principle, and every action that you do has some kind of reaction. So everything you do in your life is somehow connected to the past, to your previous decisions, to your previous experiences, and it's very difficult to find out what activities, what decisions, and what reactions are really conscious and what is just a programming of the past. And only the people that have expanded consciousness, they are in a way enlightened. More conscious you are, more free you are becoming. Otherwise you are just a robot or android. Then it's programmed through your family, through your previous experiences, through the school, your colleagues in work and structures in corporation, because they taught you how to think about the world, what you should do, what you shouldn't do, what's good, what's bad, how you behave in this tradition and society, and how you shouldn't behave, and what's scientifically correct and what's not correct, what is as a nonsense. And they told you how to experience the world. And only if you are open-minded, if you start thinking out of the box, how we say in our corporate structures in the Western world, but no one who says that is actually doing it. They are just following some basic rules and they're programming just in a different way. We are conditioned so much. And if we understand that this causality, the law of cause and effect, how it plays in our life, we can become free of doing the thing repeatedly as we were taught to, and we can do a conscious decisions. And therefore it's very difficult to uncover what is your karma, what is your goal in life, and what you do only because you were taught this way to do that. And only if you are in silence, if you are alone, if you can sit alone with you, be there in the nature, with your own personality, stop thinking, then you can recognize if you are able to decide something without this pressure from the outside and conditioning. But we can change it through meditation, we can change it through short time every day, 10 to 15 minutes every day. In 3 months you can see a huge difference in this reprogramming of the brain. There is a structure called default mode network in the brain, and that's basically connected to our ego, because that's our possibility to think about ourselves. So when you don't do anything where you need to focus directly on some work or process, your mind starts to wander and you start thinking about yourself, about the meaning of your life. You start thinking about other people and interconnections. You can go to past or to the future. And there are specific structures in the brain, they look like this on the scan. And these are active in the situations where you don't do anything specific, but you let your mind wander around. And to be able to change this conditioning, to reprogram this basic setup in your brain, we need to calm it down, we need to focus, and that's what the meditation is doing. And then it allows you to reprogram this default mode network. And that's what is happening in like 2-3 months of repeated practice. So you can change this conditioning by the external world.